How to turn off the dark mode in Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you prefer the traditional light mode, let's get started with the simple step to switch it back. So first of all, you have to open the Windows setting. To do so, start by right-clicking on the Start button located at the bottom corner of the screen. Once you right-click on it, you will see a list of options. From there, select on Settings. Once you have opened the settings, you will see a list of options with different functionalities. Tap on the settings which says personalization, and after that choose on colors. Once you tap on colors, you will see choose your mode option. From the drop down menu, select on light and you will notice that the dark mode has been turned off. However, if you want to access it more easily, there is another option as well. For this, you have to go to the search bar. Type in dark mode and you will see the option of turn on dark mode. It will take you to the same settings as before, and from there you can select the light mode as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.